Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a green screen in Adobe Premiere. At this point I've already imported the video into my timeline. In Adobe Premiere, go up to Effects and then Video Effects down to Keying. Once you're on Key, drag Ultra Key over to the video clip with the green screen. And now we move the blue cursor over here onto the clip, press Editing, Effects Control, go down here to the eyedropper, and then select the green color in the background. And now the green screen has been removed. So if I want an image of Hawaii, I drag an image from my desktop onto here, and then put it behind my green screen, and adjust accordingly. So let's move that. And then move this where I want it, just right about there. Now I double click and select this video, move it back. And now I have a picture of Hawaii in the background. So now we extend it to go around the whole clip and watch.
So I want to go to Hawaii. Let's make the green screen Hawaii so I can do this.
So that is how you remove a green screen in Adobe Premiere.